ever do it down here in the South? You want multiple hitches on your car? Just use a Toyota Camry. Look at them go. Oh, and then you put a big old rack on top. Well, if it ain't Southern, it ain't.
This is the freeway, by the way. Oh my god! Oh, dude, I had the window open!
Are even, according to his own later testimony, misleading. By which I mean they were specifically tailored for a singular purpose and intentionally misleading on other features he was not yet ready to protect. Most authors, however, present the patent in order things they thought other people would then try doing. I'm going to very dangerously assume what Luger just might have prioritized, which is shrinking the action and making it reliable first.
Look at this stupid truck, man. Didn't even stop, man. Dumbass.
Now imagine, that's right. Now imagine 16, 17, 18-year-olds get their first job or whatever, get that first paycheck. They see how much money is taken from them. From their hard labor.
God damn it.
They look their and then at the same time, on the
Sky in Center City heading to 54 with rain on the way on this Tuesday, January 9th. Good morning, I'm Ian Bush.
Good morning.
What are you doing, dude? Depend on KYW News Radio for up-to-the-minute weather information sponsored by Aqua and Essential Utilities Company.
Wicked storm heading our way today with torrential rain, strong.
The sun. Because he went on, his eyes locked with mine. I didn't want you to fight alone, or die alone. And for a moment, I remembered that fairy who had died in our foyer, and how I'd told Tamlin the same thing. Thank you, I said, my throat tight. Reese flashed a grin that didn't quite reach his eyes. I doubt you'll be saying that when I take you to the night court.
Depending on how often they drain. Asim's eyes fluctuate in degrees of red, and their veins distend when riled. Sages, those responsible for initiates, eyes are permanently red.
Fuck it.
Their veins perpetually distended toward their temples, expanding with age. Mavens, their generals, have never been captured for examination.
What?
Chapter 47. So much for thinking I have the advantage. Her eyes flare like she's come to the same conclusion as we circle each other, and then they narrow in a way that makes my stomach clench. Devera may have set the rules, but something tells me Kat is about to break them. Does it bother you?
Sometimes they had a Monopoly one.
Ooh.
Oh. Oh.
Yeah.
Oh. But yeah, they had a Monopoly one once. That didn't go well.
That's crazy, idiot.